Having trouble with the fingerprint sensor on your Android phone? Here are some quick and easy fixes to help you get it working again. Check fingerprint options. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Under Additional Settings, select Screen Lock and Biometrics. Enter your PIN or pattern to continue. Then tap on Fingerprints. Tip: tap on Check Added Fingerprints and test with different fingers. Sometimes we forget which finger was registered. If the sensor isn't responding well, tap Add Fingerprint and register a new one, like your thumb. This ensures better recognition. Also, make sure features like Fingerprint Unlock and Fingerprint Always On are enabled. If these are turned off, the sensor might not respond properly. Restart your device. Swipe down to access the quick menu. Then click on the power icon. Then tap Restart and confirm. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches or unresponsive sensors, so don't skip this step. Check for software updates. Go to the Settings app. Scroll to the bottom and click on About Phone. Again, scroll down and tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. Android often releases patches that improve fingerprint performance, so make sure you're up to date. Reset all settings. Go to the Settings. Now search for Reset. Then click on Reset All Settings. Tap the Reset All Settings option, then confirm by tapping Reset Settings at the bottom. You'll be prompted to enter your lock screen passcode. After that, tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. This will reset all the settings on the device. But don't worry, your personal data, like photos and apps, won't be affected. After this, check your fingerprint again. This will fix the issue. And that's it! Your fingerprint sensor should now be up and running. If it's still not working, you may need to contact customer support. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.